Okay.
All right. Hey everyone, this is Jim Grzanzio from the Oracle Groundbreakers team, and today we are in Bangalore at Jain University. Yesterday was Chennai, and today is Bangalore, and tomorrow is, I don't know, we'll have to see when we get there. So I'm here with Kieran Taylor. Kieran is a speaker on the tour, and we're going to get his feedback on what he's talking about. Kieran, welcome.
Hi. Thank you very much.
So what are you talking about here in this tour?
So I've got two talks. I'm talking about technical deep dive of Oracle Analytics DataSync. And my other talk is about Terraform. So we'll be talking about how to manage infrastructure via code and managing the whole environment, basically, for organizations that can use and also developers can use.
Okay, great. So I'm interested, actually this morning when we started, we had a few hundred people in there. I'm just wondering what the reaction is to some of your talks. You've done a couple already?
Yes. So I've had two talks in Chennai. This morning I had a talk on the technical data sync, and it's great. You see attendees come, and they come for a reason to find out more about the tool and also how to use the tool to solve their problems, issues they have at the moment.
Interesting. Okay. So where are you based? I think you said actually up in the UK?
Yes, so it's quite interesting. So I'm based in the UK. I've been living in the UK all my life. My parents are from India, and this is the first time I've come to this country. So
interesting. Wow.
Great thanks Oracle.
So, okay, so you were in Chennai yesterday and here in Bangalore, and how many stops are you going to be on the tour?
So after this, I got one more stop at Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad, I think it is. Ahmedabad, yeah, that's my next stop. And then after that, I have to get back.
Okay. Yeah, I'm here for a few more after that. So, all right, so let's talk about the community here. You've had a little bit of experience, over these last couple of days, actually working with the community and and having some conversations. What's your impressions with what you've seen so far with these guys?
It's quite great. I mean, I find the attendees here, or in India, I found them really engaging. You could go to some places where, are they really interested? Are they here to learn something new? And I think it's great. I found here that the attendees are very engaging and they ask many questions, which is a sign of they're listening and they want to learn something. And maybe you might not have covered something, so they ask the questions that to help them answer their problems. And I think that's great. And I found it really interesting. It makes it more exciting for the speakers. So if we get those questions and the attendees are asking more and more questions, it gets, okay, yeah, you can do this. You might go off book or off your slide deck, but you're helping them and you're probably helping other people in the room as well. So it's great.
Now, you mentioned to me earlier when we were having a conversation that that's one of the things that actually drives you or at least interests you, the fact that you can come here and learn yourself from the experience.
Yeah, exactly. So, I think I take the advice, this is great. So I get to go out and do the talks, but at the same time, you get to see the other talks that what other people are talking about, and you get to learn what they're doing. But, to give you an example, is always interested in machine learning and AI and stuff. So it's quite interesting to see a different perspective. Some other talks here are talking about AI and machine learning as well. So you get to see what they're doing, and some of these things, you can start putting together. You learn more that you can use to share some other knowledge that you could help to build something new from.
Right. Interesting. Okay, so this is not really a regular part of your job, right?
No. So yeah, this is all. I really just do this for. I got a full-time job, which is working in technology and working with Oracle technology and stuff. But we're not a consultancy company where I work, so there's no consultancy that I'm going to do or sell or advertise. But so this is all about. I just enjoy it, networking, meeting people, and like I just said just a minute ago, it's just about learning. I get to share and learn, so and to keep relevant of what's going on in the industry, and I think it's a great place to do that.
Interesting. Okay, so it seems like you're really excited about what you're talking about here and what you've experienced. So is this something that you can see yourself actually doing more of in the future?
Oh yeah, 100%. So I mean, I think there's a few things to that. You know, you're talking about, you know, you're doing something and you're talking, and you got to talk. Say you're talking about data sync, you're talking about infrastructure as code, but it drives you to want to learn something new, you know, and try and learn something new and share that knowledge. So, you know, it sort of gives you that drive to want to learn and want to do something different, and then be able to share that, you know. So it just drives you to keep learning new things. So yes, 100%, yes.
Excellent. Well, there's plenty of tours that we have coming up. We have a Latin America tour. We have there's a Japan tour. There's an APAC tour. There's plenty of tours that are coming up. So hopefully you jump on one of those.
Oh, yeah. We'll see. Yeah, definitely 100%.
Okay, great. Well, thank you very much, Kieran. I appreciate the time. And Jim Grisanzio here, and we're in Bangalore at Jain University. Tomorrow, somewhere else. We'll talk to you then. Bye-bye now. See you guys later. Bye-bye.